So, dear students, please have some patience, and our chief guest of today will be joining in 5 to 10 minutes. If you are listening to my voice, I am again saying to all of you that have some patience, 5 to 10 minutes. Our chief guest of today, Mr. Anubhav Sachdeva, will be joined today's webinar very soon. So again, I would like to I would like to congratulate to Mr. Honorable Principal of AGC Amritsar, and I would like to thank from my side and from my behalf of the hospitality industry Good afternoon, everyone, and I hope that you all are fine and doing great in your daily life. Again, coming to the today's webinar, first of all, I would like to congratulate to each and everyone who are listening to my voice. And before each and everything, Mr. Anubhav Sachdeva, sir, are you listening to my voice? If you are listening to my voice, you can join with us. Uh, Okay. So, with your permission, sir, shall we start, sir? Okay. Now, sir, you can unmute yourself. Oh, So, okay, sir. So, shall we start, sir, for today's webinar?
Yes, yes, sir. Please,
Okay.
you may start, sir.
Okay. 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 So, everyone, okay. So, a very worthy and enthusiastic morning to one and all present to here. I, Chef Sukhminder Singh, extend a heartily congratulate to our college and departmental team who puts a great efforts in organizing this webinar. First of all, I would like to congratulate and I would like to thanks to our principal, sir, Dr. Vijay Banga, who is right now joining us in this today's webinar, and we all are very happy that, sir, you share your valuable time with us in this webinar. Under the guidance of Mr. Purushottam Kent, who is HOD of HMCT department, has organized a several events for the future betterment of the students. Again, the most awaited event of this department has arrived today. Today, we are going to have a very special guest with us. Our chief guest does not require an introduction as he is a well recognized personality in this hospitality and academics industry. He is known for his wonderful administration and high achievements. Let us welcome our chief guest of today, Honorable Mr. Anubhav Sachdeva. He is a certified hospitality trainer and right now working with several authorities to serve them their own experience with valuable knowledge. He has also worked as an expert and consultant with several brand hotels and having a more than 17 years of experience. It's a huge experience and it's a huge achievement of yours. His specialization, if we talk about his specialization in this hospitality industry, his specializations are revenue management, training, hotel staff, yield strategies, budgeting, and many more. Today webinar is all about progressive skill for hospitality industry is going to be the one of the interesting webinar ever because we will learn, we will get to know latest updates and innovative ideas from our chief guest of today. So dear fellow friends, gear up yourself as we are going to start with our today's webinar. Before starting with our today's webinar, there are one or two more points which I would like to share with the chief guest of today and for the kind information of the principal and the HOD sir. Anubhav sir, I'm going to make you a host for today's webinar. By hosting, you can share the PPT with all of our HMCT students. And it is a very wonderful and moment for all of us that we are listening to your voice. And from your knowledge, we can enhance our knowledge and we can also achieve our goals and objectives in our daily lives. So, sir, I am making you host and just wait a few seconds for this. And okay, sir. So you are the host of today's webinar and please go ahead, sir. We all are waiting to listen you, sir. Please. So sorry for interrupting you, but we are not listening to your voice. It is not audible, sir. Okay. So dear students, please wait for few seconds, and after few seconds, after 1 to 2 minutes, we will be right back with our today's webinar, and we are solving our technical issues right now. Just wait a few minutes, just 1 to 2 minutes, guys. So today's webinar is all about skills which we will use at the right of working in the hospitality industry. And from this knowledge, you can gain more and more valuable things from the chief guest of our today's, and from the chief guest knowledge, or from his experience, you can definitely gain your goals and objectives in your daily life. So it is all about progressive skills, and Mr. Anubhav Sachdeva sir is sharing one PPT and many more other things with all of us very shortly. So just wait a few seconds, guys, and we will definitely right back with our main track wherever we left earlier.
यार की करता ही तो ना बताओ अब पता नहीं की हो गया अच्छा
Am I audible now?
Yes, 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 sir. We all are listening to your voice.
I'm really sorry. There was some technical glitch. That is why it was not happening. So I just want to thank Chef Dr. Banga and Mr. Purushottam Kent for giving me this opportunity so that I can also interact with the students, and I'm not going to waste your time. It will just take 50 minutes and we'll talk about very interesting things. सबसे पहले मैं आपसे एक इंटरेक्शन करना चाहूंगा. I hope Chef students can unmute themselves if they want to speak.
Yes, sir. They will definitely ask some of the more questions from you later on,
Okay.
sir.
Right. So I would like to ask Shivam Thakkar. Shivam Thakkar is there?
Shivam, are you available? Right now, sir, due to, I think, network.
Okay. Well, you can mention your points in the chat box. That I would request everybody. First of all, I would like to ask you guys that you just have to tell me when this lockdown started last year, when this pandemic started, and we all were surprised. What is this all about? ये है क्या? हो क्या रहा है हमारे साथ? What first thing that you did when you heard about the pandemic? You got the information that colleges are closed down, schools are closed down, markets are closed down, curfew has been started. What is the first thing that you did? You can write in the chat box, I can read the chat.
Okay, speak Raj. If you are raising your hand, please.
Yes, Raj. You can unmute yourself. Raj, you can speak.
Actually, we are most worried about the job thing that I am already
Okay.
Indigo Airlines. So we are very in that situation that we are thinking like if everything shuts, then how we'll go for it, how I'll work, where we'll go, like how we'll earn. So all those things will coming in mind. Like the rest thing will get all those groceries, this and that. It is always fine, but where to get the bread and butter? That is the most important question in our mind at that time.
Very good point that you have said, because most of us are really worried that what is going to happen now. So let me just introduce myself. I am Anupam Susdeva. I have got 17 years of experience and I am a certified hospitality trainer by Ministry of Tourism, India. So I've trained many people throughout my career. I've worked in the industry and still working with many big hotel brands. So what I have seen that industry is going through a tough time these days because of the lockdown, because the international tourism has stopped, right? Flights are not coming in, hotels and restaurants are not having the privilege to host parties or marriage functions above 50 gathering or 10, 20 gathering. Otherwise, hotels used to have gatherings of 1,500 people, 2,000 people, 3,000 people, and so on. But now that is the challenge that hotel industry is facing. But one thing is sure, once this lockdown gets over, the number of opportunities will again boom. Because during this lockdown, many of the people, either they are sitting at home, the hotels are paying them basic salaries, or they are given leave without pay. But once the hotels again are again going to start, and the international flights are again going to pop in our country, the hotels will start again like before. So you will have a lot of opportunities, and today we'll talk about what to do. It's been 1 year we are under lockdown, right? Now it is the best time to explore ourselves, and it is the best time to work on ourselves, to work on our personality. अगर ये लॉकडाउन नहीं होता, हम अपने ऊपर काम ही ना कर पाते. इस लॉकडाउन को अपनी वीकनेस मत समझो, इस लॉकडाउन को अपनी अपॉर्चुनिटी समझो. इस लॉकडाउन में हम बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं, जो हमें एक नॉर्मल लाइफ अगर चल रही होती, सब कुछ पहले की तरह चल रहा होता, खुला होता, हम ना कर पाते या ना सीख पाते, राइट? उसके लिए आई विल गिव यू वन एग्जांपल. जस्ट अ सेकंड. I'll just share my screen with you. Just a second. Okay. Can you see my screen now? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is written?
Yes, sir.
What is written there?
Habit.
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 Habit means, if anybody can explain.
आदत.
Adat.
आदत. Very good. और ये आदत जो है, आदत हमें कैसे पड़ती है?
किसी चीज को बार बार करने से, उस चीज की एक हैबिचुअल होने से, उस चीज से.
Okay, very good. तो चलिए मैं आपसे इसी हैबिट के बारे में बात करता हूँ. जब लॉकडाउन लगा था, प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी ने कर्फ्यू अनाउंस किया था, जनता लॉकडाउन अनाउंस किया था. फर्स्ट लॉकडाउन की डेट कब अनाउंस हुई थी? एनीबडी रिमेम्बर्स?
22
22
March.
March.
21
22 March.
March.
Yes, 22nd March announcement आई थी and 23rd March से applicable, right? And the first lockdown was for 21 days, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
21 days. Why 21 days?
To know
Because
about
it's
this.
very
Because, sir,
obvious
कोई
that
भी
if
चीज-
you work for 21 days, it's like habitual for everyone. Like it's said earlier that if you do something for 21 days, you are habitual for that.
Excellent. What's your name?
Raj this side.
Raj, very good. Excellent. Clap for you. तो मोदी जी ने हमें एक सिंबल दिया था, एक साइन दिया था कि 21 डेज तक घर पे रहो, बिकॉज ही वांटेड टू गेट अस हैबिचुअल बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लॉकडाउन. वो हमें आदत डालना चाहते थे लॉकडाउन, इसलिए उन्होंने 21 डेज का लॉकडाउन अनाउंस किया था. 21 दिन घर पे रहेंगे, 22वें दिन अपने आप ही घर पे रहेंगे. व्हाट माय पॉइंट? बिकॉज साइंस ने रिसर्च की है, किसी भी चीज को, लाइक राज सेड वेरी राइट, कि अगर हम उस चीज को 21 दिन लगातार करते हैं, बाय डिफॉल्ट 22वें दिन वो हमारी आदत बन जाती है. इट बिकम्स अ हैबिट. चाहे वो कुछ भी है, अगर आप कोई अच्छी चीज शुरू कर रहे हो, इट विल बिकम योर हैबिट. इफ यू आर डूइंग something bad, you have started something bad, it will become your habit, and you are doing it for 21 days consecutively, it will become your habit, and you cannot delete that habit from you. इसके ऊपर I'll give you one example. There was a gentleman who was a chain smoker. बहुत सिगरेट पीता था, एक दिन में 2 डब्बी खत्म कर जाता. ठीक है, उसके अंदर कहीं से आया कि मुझे सिगरेट छोड़नी है, आई वांट टू क्विट स्मोकिंग नाउ. एकदम से तो छोड़ नहीं सकते, बिकॉज इट इज हैबिट एंड इट इज अ बैड हैबिट. सो ही डिसाइडेड कि मुझे अपनी विल पावर थोड़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग करनी पड़ेगी, एंड 21 डेज में मैं धीरे धीरे करके इसको छोड़ता हूँ. तो पहले उसने क्या किया, जहां वो 2 बॉक्स पीता था दिन के, उसने कहा पहले आज से मैं 1 पीना शुरू करूंगा, 1 नहीं, रोज का 1. काफी दिन तक उसने प्रैक्टिस करी, वो धीरे धीरे करके आफ्टर 21 डेज के बाद 1 पर आ गया. आफ्टर दैट जब वो 1 पर आया, इफ यू कैन सी द स्क्रीन, उसको लगा कि हाँ मैंने कुछ अचीव कर लिया. आई डिसाइडेड टू क्विट 2 बॉक्सेस, सो आई एम ऑन 1 नाउ. आउट ऑफ दिस हैबिट H is gone, a bit remains, right?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा बाकी है, a bit. उसने सोचा कि अब ये 1 पर आ गया हूं, 1 से भी थोड़ी और कम करता हूं, आधी पीनी शुरू करूंगा, आधा बॉक्स पीऊंगा, इतने पे लिमिट रखता हूं. कुछ दिन और प्रैक्टिस करी, उसने ये भी अचीव कर लिया, वो आधे पर आ गया. फिट स्टिल रिमेन्स. आदत अभी भी है, आदत गई नहीं. ठीक है, बिट स्टिल रिमेन्स. अब उसने बोला आधी से मैं दिन में सिर्फ 2 सिगरेट पे आ जाऊंगा, और थोड़े दिन प्रैक्टिस करी, 21 डेज करते करते वो 2 सिगरेट पे आ गया, बिट में से बी भी चला गया. इट स्टिल रिमेन्स. आदतें कभी नहीं जाती, आदतें रहेंगी हमेशा,
Right.
कभी नहीं जाएंगी. 1 पिएगा या 2 पिएगा, हो सकता है वो 1 या 2 भी ना पिए, लेकिन जहां उसको यार दोस्त मिलेंगे, कोई पार्टी होगी, कोई ऑफर करेगा, उसके मन में आ जाएगा चल यार बहुत दिन हो गए पी नहीं, आज एक लगा ही लेते. आदतें कभी नहीं जाती, इट स्टिल रिमेन्स. इट्स जस्ट दैट यू हैव टू डेवलप योर गुड हैबिट्स एंड कंट्रोल योर बैड हैबिट्स. राइट? क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब आगे चलते हैं. I'll just show you presentation. I'll stop this one and start a new one. Just a second. Give me 1 second. तो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू से कि जब आपने लॉकडाउन लगा, आपने ऐसी कौन सी आदत थी, पॉजिटिव आदत, जिससे आपको लगा कि हाँ अब मैंने कुछ हद तक इम्प्रूव किया है अपनी पर्सनालिटी में? Because this was a golden time and this was a golden opportunity given to all of us by the grace of God. Don't take it as a negative point कि लॉकडाउन आ गया, पैंडेमिक आ गया, बीमार पड़ रहे हैं, लोग मर रहे हैं, नेगेटिविटी हर तरफ है। उसके अंदर से पॉजिटिविटी ढूंढना हमारा काम। तो पॉजिटिविटी यही है कि हम घर पे हैं, वी आर एबल टू गुड स्पेंड गुड फैमिली टाइम विद अवर पेरेंट्स, विद अवर किड्स, विद अवर रिलेटिव्स जो घर में रहते हैं। आज तक इतना टाइम हमें कभी किसी के साथ बिताने के लिए मिला ही नहीं था, बट टुडे इज द टाइम जब हमें थोड़ा, 1 साल हो गया, वी हैव स्पेंड गुड टाइम विद अवर फैमिली मेंबर्स, जो पहले नहीं मिल रहा था। तो टेक इट एज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, और इस दौरान अपने ऊपर काम करो, अपनी पर्सनालिटी पे काम करो। ये बहुत अच्छा टाइम है। जैसे ही पैंडेमिक खत्म होगा, यू विल हैव again a lot of opportunities to work in the industry. For that, you have to clear the interviews. So when you have to clear the interview, you will have to work aggressively on your personality. Now, how your personality will develop, for that I'll just tell you how. I hope everything is fine in Amritsar.
Excuse me, sir. Everything is going fine in the Amritsar, sir, and we all are waiting that you will definitely we will get that opportunity to meet with you and to share and to get the valuable experience from your side, sir. And we are waiting for that moment. And each and every student is right now saying that we all are waiting to meet you, sir, as soon as possible, whenever we will get time.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It says that he who has presence carries with him continual letters of recommendation. Can anybody explain me this point? What does it mean? You can unmute yourself and you can answer. Yuvraj, yes, please.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
Good afternoon.
सर इसका मीनिंग है अगर हम लोग अपना स्टाइल और प्रेजेंस अपने साथ लेके चलते हैं तो हम बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस है कि हमें लोग रेकमेंड करें.
Very right. Excellent. So this means the person who has got style, the person who has got personality, he always carries his letters of recommendation. People recommend him or her before he or she enters the hotel for an interview. आपके टीचर, कोई और कलीग आपको पहले से ही रेकमेंड कर देगा अगर आप में वो बात है, राइट? यू नो अबाउट कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स. सो लेट्स से आपके कॉलेज में कोई कंपनी आती है हायरिंग के लिए, उसने आपका इंटरव्यू लिया. आफ्टर द इंटरव्यू, इफ द इंटरव्यू इज ओके, they always take a recommendation from your faculty, from your HOD. और अगर HOD या faculty बोल देते हैं कि हाँ सर बच्चा बहुत अच्छा है, मेहनत करता है, very intelligent, brilliant student, you are hired.
Yes, sir.
Right? So you have to maintain good relationships with your teachers and faculty or heads, because they are the ones in your first job, they are the ones who will recommend. Now, what all things are required when you go for an interview? If we talk about the hotel industry, this is an international standard. Criteria for freshers: your age should be between 18 to 27. Obviously, it's our first job. We are freshers, so marital status would be unmarried, maybe married. Nationality Indian. Qualification 10+2. After that, you have graduation or a diploma or post graduation. Minimum height for females is 157 centimeters, which is 5 feet 2 inches, and for males 170 centimeters, which is 5 feet 8 inches. This is the standard overall, and it is followed strictly by airlines, not by hotels but airlines. Hotels में थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे चलता है. Weight should be proportionate to your height. That means you should maintain your body mass index between 18 to 24. 24 से above जा रहा है, that means you are overweight. 18 से below जा रहा है, that means you are underweight. Hotels में underweight चलता है, overweight नहीं चलता. Same is the case with airlines also. Complexion should be clear. Scars, pimples, and blemishes not acceptable. One more thing which is not mentioned here: most of the hotels and airline companies or cruise line companies, they do not allow any type of tattoo on your body which is visible. Some people get themselves tattooed on forearms. यहाँ पे tattoo बनवा लेते हैं, गर्दन पे tattoo बनवा लेते हैं, इधर बनवा लेते हैं, wrist पे. Tattoos are not allowed. Only 1 or 2 hotel companies are there that allow an employee to keep a tattoo. उसमें से एक है Lemon Tree, not any other hotel. Taj, Oberoi, Marriott, Hyatt, they do not allow anybody with tattoo. तो अगर आपने शौक में बनवा लिया है, इंटरव्यू में रिजेक्शन के चांसेस ज्यादा. Eyesight should be normal. Even if you for airlines, eyesight should be normal without specs. In hotels, you can wear specs also. There is no problem. Language skills should be fluency in English, Hindi, Punjabi, any other language. If you know, that is an added advantage. Passport, yes, you must be having a valid Indian passport. You are now adults. Passport is mandatory, just like Aadhaar card. You never know what opportunity will click on which day. Maybe somebody will call you and say, okay, I have a job for you in Canada, I have a job for you in Australia. So if you do not have a passport, it's your mistake, not his mistake. He will give that opportunity to somebody else. Now we'll talk about the part of creating winning impressions. You all know that first impression is the last impression, right? वो कैसे create करना है? That is the question. हमें वो हैबिट डाल लेनी चाहिए आपसे, ताकि वो हमारा इंप्रेशन जाते ही क्रिएट हो जाए, और ये सही टाइम है उसके लिए. उसके लिए फॉर्मूला ये, सक्सेस फॉर्मूला इज 15% you will win the interview, you will clear the interview on the basis of your knowledge and skills. Out of 100%, 15% you will clear your interview on the basis of knowledge and job skills जो आपको आपके कॉलेज में मिले, आपके टीचर्स ने आपको दिए. होटल मैनेजमेंट की नॉलेज है, आप कुकिंग में जाना चाहते हैं, आपको शेफ की नॉलेज है.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. This is Raj. Actually, you have spoken about this criteria for the freshers. So it is for the crew members, or it is for the someone who is there on the ground also?
It is for everybody.
No, sir. Don't mind, but I want let you correct. Like, if we go for this ground staff, it is not required for this height and this even though the people are wearing specs, they also can work. Even though someone is short heighted, they also can work.
See, I'll tell you one thing, very important. Good question that you have asked that. I would like to tell you this thing. And airline companies, nowadays airline companies are going through a tough time because of the pandemic. Whenever an airline company gives advertisement for job hiring in the newspaper or digital media, right, on Naukri.com or LinkedIn, okay, they always send this criteria. On the down, there's a disclaimer, there's a star sign given which says we are also hiring for ground level staff. So their first motive is to hire cabin crew members. If they see that he or she is not fit for cabin crew, थोड़ा height ऊपर नीचे है, weight थोड़ा ज़्यादा है या कम है, या specs लगी हुई हैं, then they recommend you for the ground level staff.
Okay, but the thing is that clarification, when we go for the clarification, the both sides are different. Like when we go for the cabin crew and when we go for this ground staff. So that's the reason I put that question. Actually,
I like your question because I have been associated with Jet Airways. Now Jet Airways into very bad times, going through bad times. They are bankrupt. I was associated with Vistara Airlines and British Airways. Okay, their selection criteria is very tough. If you go to Indigo, if you go to Air India Express, if you go to Go Airlines, if you go by SpiceJet Airlines, their criteria are still lenient.
yes,
But they are not international airlines. But if I talk about Cathay Pacific, I talk about Qatar Airways, I talk about British Airways, Lufthansa Airlines, their criteria is very tough.
Yes, very tough. The reason extends everything they want very but the main
Yes.
market is
So,
with
that's what I'm talking about. Always see the bigger picture. Don't see the smaller picture. See the bigger picture.
okay, sir.
Think about working in a 5-star deluxe hotel. Don't think about to start your career with a 3-star hotel or a 4-star hotel. That is my point. If you will prepare yourself for a 5-star hotel, then maybe chances are you will get through the interview and you will work in a 5-star hotel. If not, then 4-star hotel. But if you're thinking about 4-star hotel, you'll start with the 3-star hotel. So think big, then only you will land up. We not always land up where we want to. थोड़ा आगे पीछे चलता है. So always give that thing to your mind, make that a habit. Think about the bigger picture. Think positive that you will clear the interview for Qatar Airways. Why are you thinking about SpiceJet and Indigo? Very soon they are going to bankrupt.
Actually, the thing is, sir, 50% of population will be directly rejected from that list, what they are posting. So that's the reason I asked this question. And anyhow, 80% of market of India, if we talk, then Indigo and these small airlines already have captured. So if we talk about Emirates, if we talk about Qatar, so they don't have market in India if we talk. And we all are actually Indians and we are talking about India right now. So that's the reason I put this question.
I agree with you. exactly, you are right. But my point is, if Indigo is there, SpiceJet is there, they are the domestic leading airlines. They also want to be an international airline one day. So once they will become an international airlines, they will have this criteria in line. Getting my point? They will
Yes,
make their
yes.
criteria little more stricter, right?
Yes,
If
yes.
there is a rule which is called as T10 rule, sorry, T20 rule. Okay, sorry, it is called as 520 rule. 520 rule means if a domestic airline enters into the industry for the first time, they have to work in the same country for 5 years, and they should have 20 aircrafts of their own. Then only they can become an international airline. So the license would be given of an international airline. They can take their flights
To the
from
international
the
terminal.
country.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay,
Right?
sir, wrap it
That's
over
the
here.
T20 rule.
It will be very lengthy. You can continue with the PPT now.
Sure. So here I'll talk about first impression. So your first impression is created in the very first appearance. If you are going for the interview, 55% of the interview you have already cleared if you have got good appearance. You should feel good and you should look good. Your 55% job is done. How it is done? I'll tell you. हम जब किसी शादी पर जाते हैं, किसी फंक्शन में जाते हैं, हम कपड़े अच्छे पहनते हैं, सूट पहनते हैं, अच्छे नए कपड़े खरीद कर पहनते हैं, किसी शादी पे जाना है या किसी फंक्शन पे जाना है. And that is the time when we click most of the photographs and selfies, because we get that factor of feel good and look good. हमें अंदर से ही कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है. राइट और नो?
Right, sir.
राइट. अब इसके ऊपर मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. बहुत साल पहले एक मूवी आई थी, हम शायद पैदा भी नहीं हुए थे. आई होप somebody of my age would be agreeing to this. पुरुषोत्तम सर या लवकुश सर हैं साथ में इधर. मुगले आजम मूवी आई थी जिसमें पृथ्वीराज कपूर वाज द एक्टर. राइट. पृथ्वीराज कपूर को एक रोल मिला था राजा का, जिसमें वो बहुत बड़ा राजा बना था. उस सीन के अंदर उसका एक सीन था जिसमें उसने 4000 रुपीज के शूज डाले थे, जूते डाले थे 4000 रुपए के उस टाइम. आज से 60-70 साल पहले की बात. जब वो सीन शॉट हुआ, सीन हो गया, उसने अपने डायलॉग डिलीवरी कर दी. उसके बाद जब वो स्क्रीन पर आया, उसने स्क्रीन पे बोला डायरेक्टर को, यार शूज इतने महंगे लिए थे 4000 के, वो तो सीन में दिख ही नहीं रहे हैं, सिर्फ मैं ऊपर तक दिख रहा हूँ, शूज तो दिख ही नहीं रहे हैं, पहनाए क्यों थे? तो डायरेक्टर ने उसको एक आंसर दिया, सर वो 4000 वाले जूते पहन के आपको फील तो आ रही थी ना कि आप एक राजा हैं. इस फील की वजह से आपने शॉट ऐसा दिया. राइट. सो माय पॉइंट इज, इफ यू विल फील गुड, अच्छा पहनोगे, अच्छा दिखोगे, इंटरव्यू के अंदर पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड लेकर जाओगे. 55% job is done.
Right.
Next 38% is your body language. Your attitude should always be positive. You should always have smile and right tone in your voice. Now smile means smile, not laugh. Because if you laugh में क्या है, दांत दिखने चाहिए, smile में दांत नहीं दिखते. ठीक है? So you should always be smiling, not laughing. जब आप दांत दिखाते हो तो अगले को लगता है शायद मेरे ऊपर तो नहीं हंस रहा. The other person might get offended. Right? So 55% plus 38%, how much it is?
Ninety-three, 92%.
93%. So the rest 7% is the actual words you have spoken in the interview, which is your technical skill and your introduction. So 93% interview you have already cleared if you have the above two factors in you: appearance, body language. Then is your technical knowledge. अगर technical knowledge में आप थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर shake कर भी जाते हो, officials they do not mind because they know you are a fresher and it's their duty to train you. So they will train you according to their hotel's rules and regulations. So nothing to worry. आपका बाकी ठीक किया 93%. you will be hired. Any questions so far?
Any question from any students, you can ask freely from the sir.
Next, we'll talk about your professional image. Your professional image are divided into 3 categories. Your first is your self-image. Self-image means आप खुद के बारे में क्या सोचते हो. मैं personally अपने बारे में क्या सोचता हूँ, that is my self-image. Second is projected image. What do you think about? What do you want to project to the outer world? That is your projected image. हो सकता है मेरी self image कुछ और है, मेरी projected image कुछ और है. मैं अंदर से कुछ और हूँ, दिखा कुछ और रहा हूँ. ऐसे लोग हैं आजकल, बहुत सारे हैं, होते कुछ हैं, दिखाते कुछ हैं. And third is your public image. Public image is public आपके बारे में क्या सोच रही है. What is the third person thinking about you after looking at you? That is your public image. Public image आपकी self image या projected image से अलग भी हो सकती है या same भी हो सकती है. Because that is the public choice. वो आपके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So here we'll talk about the total packaging. Your high impact professional, क्या क्या चीजें मैटर करती हैं. These are the 6 C's that you have to take care. Competence, confidence, credibility, control, consistency, and compassion. These 6 C's are required if you want to be successful in the industry, in the hotel industry. Okay. There are so many definitions related to success. What is success? हर किसी की अपनी एक definition होगी. Right? If anybody can say who is a successful person, आप बता सकते हैं, कोई एक बता दे. Who is a successful person? Or the definition of success? Anyone? You can unmute yourself and answer.
Achieving goals.
Achieving
The
goals, right?
goals, yeah.
That is success, right? What else?
Just focus on your goal. जो भी सक्सेसफुल है वो अपने गोल्स को प्रॉपर्ली फोकस करते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ क्या लोग क्या कहें.
Right. Very true.
Who is satisfied?
Who is satisfied?
हैप्पी हो अपने लाइफ में और उसके पास लग्जरी लाइफ हो.
Very right. Excellent.
Be optimistic always.
True. See, you all are right. हर किसी की definition अलग है और success का मतलब यही है. इन सबको जोड़ दो, the person becomes successful. A successful person has got all the qualities. उसको सबसे important है time manage करना. Second important thing is positive attitude. He should always have positive attitude. He should not get negative. आपको क्या लगता है कि मुकेश अंबानी के पास दिक्कत नहीं होगी, अनिल अंबानी के पास दिक्कत नहीं होगी, उनके पास टेंशन्स नहीं होंगी, कभी तो वो भी निराश हो जाते होंगे, नेगेटिविटी आ जाती होगी कभी किसी काम में, right? But they always maintain a positive attitude, or they don't portray it. Okay, so let's talk about the interview. Your body language refers to this whole cluster of non-verbal signals. The 38% की हमने बात की थी, 55% was appearance. जो 38% की हमने बात की थी, वो ये है. First is your facial expressions. How you are maintaining your facial expressions. अगर आपका face smiling है, natural smile है, you will win the war. आपको लड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप अपनी मुस्कुराहट से जीत जाओगे सारी चीज. You don't have to fight. हंसते हंसते सारे काम हो जाते हैं, right? So your facial expression should be good. You should not look or feel sad, in anger. ऐसा कोई expression face पे नहीं दिखना चाहिए, especially when you are going for the interview. Second is your eye contact. You have to maintain eye contact with the interviewer. जो आपका इंटरव्यू ले रहा है या ले रही है, उसके साथ आई कांटेक्ट करना जरूरी है. अगर आप नीचे देख रहे हो, छत को देख रहे हो, साइडवेज देख रहे हो, that means either you are low on confidence or you do not have knowledge. That is why you are not maintaining eye contact. Third is your gestures. Your gestures should be good. They should be professional gestures. Like if you are sitting on the chair, you should place your arms on the armrest or on your lap. Do not sit like this. Cross hands. Do not sit like this. Do not sit like lying on the table. Your hands are lying on the table. This is not professionalism. This is casual approach. Next is your motion. How you are moving. You are entering the room. You knock the door. You ask, may I come in, sir? May I come in, ma'am? Very good. But I have seen many students, they are still having their habitual, I would say, habit. जो बचपन से सीखी है, वो habit अभी भी maintain है. They do like this. May I come in, sir? May I come in, madam? ठीक है, so वो जो सामने बैठा है, he is not Mocambo. Mocambo खुश हुआ. ये स्कूल में करते थे हम. स्कूल वाली हरकतें छोड़ दो. Maintain a new habit. You are into professional field. Before entering, just knock the door and take a permission. May I come in, sir? May I come in, madam? Walk to the chair. Do not ask for permission. Let the other person ask you, please have a seat. Then only you can sit. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. You can ask, sir, may I have a seat? Or ma'am, may I have a seat? Then you can sit. But before that, you have to wish the person according to the time of the day. Good afternoon, if it is afternoon. Good morning, if it is good morning. That is why we always say to all hoteliers, always wear a watch. घड़ी पहनना जरूरी. Because in hotel line, you never know, guest can also ask you time. No doubt, everybody has got cell phone these days. Everybody has got a smart watch or normal watch. But still, required. It keeps you updated. It keeps you attached to your goal. आपने गोल अचीव करना है. आपको पता है your working hours are for 9 hours. आपको 9 hours के अंदर ड्यूटी खत्म करनी है. वो 9 hours कैसे पता लगेंगे? घड़ी से. Then is your posture and carriage. Sit straight while attending the interview. Do not lean to the chair. In most of the offices, the chairs are revolving chairs. So some people, they do this. They start revolving their chairs. Okay, don't do this. Sit straight. And nervousness is always there when you are going for your first interview, second interview, or third interview. Don't get nervous. Nervousness की निशानी क्या है? People start taking their phone, pens. They start doing hands like this. Their legs start shaking. These are signs of nervousness. Okay. Now, do not assume that the person who is taking your interview is the only person who is observing. No. When you are going into an office, there are 3-4 people sitting there. Interviewer is taking your interview and the other 3-4 are just observing you. Right? You have to maintain a lot of patience in yourself. I was working in a hotel, Hyatt Regency Mumbai. और मेरी ड्यूटी होती थी एचआर डिपार्टमेंट में अगले दिन लोगों को कैंडिडेट्स को कॉल करके बुलाना फॉर इंटरव्यू. तो मैं हर किसी को 15 मिनट का गैप देके बुलाता. किचन वाले, फिर सर्विस वाले, फिर हाउसकीपिंग वाले, फिर फ्रंट ऑफिस वाले, ऐसे. तो लोग सुबह 9 बजे आना शुरू कर देते थे. कैंडिडेट्स वेटिंग रूम में वेट करते थे. तो आई यूज्ड टू कॉल देम वन बाय वन जैसे उनका चांस आता था, टर्न आती थी. तो बहुत लोग मैंने देखा बहुत ज्यादा अग्रेसिव हो जाते थे. एक आदमी है, वो 9 बजे का आया, 11 बजे तक उसका नंबर नहीं आया, इंटरव्यू हुई नहीं अभी तक उसकी शुरू. वो बोलता था, सर 2 घंटे हो गए सर, प्लीज अभी बुलाओ ना मेरे को, 2 घंटे, मेरे को आगे कहीं और भी जाना है, मेरे को घर पे काम है. तो मैं उसको बोलता था, ठीक है सर, अभी आपको बुलाएंगे. मैं अंदर जाके बॉस को पूछा कि सर, व्हाई आर यू नॉट कॉलिंग हिम? आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो, 2 घंटे से वो वेट कर रहा है, व्हाई आर यू नॉट कॉलिंग? तो मेरे सर ने मुझे एक चीज समझाई थी जो मेरे को आज भी याद, कि उस कैंडिडेट को बाहर जाके बोल दो जो कह रहा है मैं 2 घंटे से बैठा, कि अभी के अभी घर चला जाए और वापस मत आना. Reason is he is not fit for the industry because he is not having patience. उसके अंदर patience नहीं है. He is aggressive. वो 2 घंटे में aggressive हो रहा है. ऐसे ही अगर guest के सामने वो करेगा, this will not be acceptable. Right? So he told me, job लेना आसान नहीं है. Job लेना बहुत difficult task है. For that you have to show patience and you have to show respect. जितना मर्जी टाइम लगे, आज इंटरव्यू है तो आज क्लियर हो ही जाएगी, चाहे रात के 9 बजे. You have to wait till the time your interview is clear or till the time HR says you are selected or you are not selected. Right? Clear to everybody or any questions in this? Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right. So next is your proximity. Proximity means your approachability. बहुत ज्यादा official के close नहीं जाना. If the official is giving you an offer for handshake, then only do handshake. If the official is a female, then refrain from handshake. Female might take it otherwise. If she is offering the handshake herself, then there is no worries. You can do the handshake. But proximity is very important. You should know where to approach. वैसे भी अब कोविड आ गया है, हैंडशेक नाम की चीज अब खत्म होने वाली है, सब नमस्ते पर आ चुके हैं. हैंडशेक कोविड के अगले 1-2 साल तक भी अभी नमस्ते ही चलेगा. राइट. सेकंड, पीपल वुड मेंटेन अ डिस्टेंस. हम पहले बोलते थे कि 1 arm डिस्टेंस, कोविड ने हमें वो भी सिखा दिया, मेंटेन 1 arm डिस्टेंस. नेक्स्ट इज योर वॉइस. योर वॉइस शुड बी प्लेजेंट वॉइस. इट शुड नॉट बी रूड. यू शुड नॉट साउंड रूड. एक बार जाने से पहले मिरर के आगे खड़े होके प्रैक्टिस कर लो. I have seen students, they are still doing the same set of interview introduction. चाहे आप पहली इंटरव्यू पे जा रहे हो, चाहे आप अपनी 50th इंटरव्यू पे जा रहे हो with 50 years of experience, your interview first question will always remains the same, and that question is, tell me about yourself or introduce yourself. अगर आपकी इंट्रोडक्शन इंटरेस्टिंग है, यू आर हायर्ड. लोगों की इंट्रोडक्शन मैंने देखी है. सर, आई एम अनुभव सचदेवा, आई बिलोंग टू जलंधर, आई हैव डन +2 फ्रॉम दिस स्कूल, आई हैव डन ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम दिस स्कूल, एंड माय हॉबी इज दिस, माय मदर इज दिस, माय फादर इज दिस. दिस इज अ वेरी बोरिंग इंट्रोडक्शन which will not fetch you a job. You cannot clear the interview. हाँ, 2-star 3-star होटल ये नहीं कर सकते, but not for 5-star. You have to make your introduction more interesting. ऐसा लगना चाहिए आप इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं कर रहे हो, आप उसे कोई कहानी बता रहे हो, एक स्टोरी बता रहे हो अपने बारे में. It should sound like that. Then only it will become interesting. Last is your clothes, which comes under your first impression also. Your contrast of clothes and your choice of clothes matters the most. आपके shoes, always it has to be black or brown color. Your trousers should be navy blue, dark gray, dark brown, black. These are the colors that are acceptable with the light colored shirt, like white shirt, sky blue shirt, off yellow, off white, baby pink. These are colors that suits with a contrasting tie. If you are wearing a blazer, it should match. Do not wear shiny clothes. जैसे हम शादी पर सूट पहन कर जाते हैं, थोड़ा शाइनिंग कपड़ा होता है. Do not wear those types of clothes. Do not wear those types of colors. Okay. For females, I would say they should always wear a bun in a net. No extra jewelry. 1 or 2 rings in one hand is fine. 1 bracelet is fine. Necklace, big long earrings are not acceptable. For boys, studs are not acceptable. Again, saying the same thing, only lemon tree is the only chain that allows you to wear a stud. That's their standard. They allow you to wear a jean and a t-shirt, during job. There is no such uniform. They have a very casual uniform. They also allow you to have a pony. Pony रखनी चाहिए, आप रख सकते हो तो रख लो. Lemon Tree will hire you, but not other hotels. Okay, so these remain same throughout the world. Okay, the standards remains the same. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is your winning carriage and deportment. Your posture, your standing position, your sitting position, how you bend, how you leave, how you enter the room and how you leave the room plays the entire role in clearing the interview. You bang the door, that means you do not have manners. You entered without taking permission, that means you do not have manners. So you have to take care of these things while you enter for the interview. You have to prepare yourself for that. Okay, any doubts so far?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
And the most important thing, I just stopping the presentation here. That was all about it. I just want to say, maintain right attitude. There are many people who would come into your life and would say, maybe they are your friends or relatives. They would say, यार क्या line join करी है, क्या बनेगा बड़ा होके? बड़ा होके मतलब pass out होके क्या करेगा? So what do you answer normally? If your friends or relatives ask you this question, खास करके वो लोग जो उम्र में बड़े हैं आपसे.
So I usually say,
Yes, Professor.
सर मैं नॉर्मली यही बताती हूँ कि दैट मुझे अपना खुद का काम करना है, मुझे खुद की किचन ओपन करनी है एंड खुद का रेस्टोरेंट करना है. सो दैट्स व्हाई मैं एचएम कर रही हूँ. तो मैं सिंपली उनको आंसर दे देती हूँ. वैसे मुझे ये चीज़ और ये नेगेटिविटी बहुत बार सुनने को मिली है.
Right.
और अभी भी सुनती हूँ कि तू किस लाइन में है, क्या कर रही है, बाकी बहन भाई लॉ कर रहे हैं, कोई मेडिकल कर रहा है, और तू क्या बनेगी, हलवाई?
Right. So that's what the same case happened with me, Professor. हर किसी के साथ हुआ है. Not only you and me, or there are so many people जो होटल मैनेजमेंट कर रहे हैं, कर चुके हैं, उनके साथ ये चीज होती है, हमेशा होती है. It's just that you have to know how to answer that person and how to answer that question without disturbing your relation. Okay, so I'll tell you one thing. इसके ऊपर एक चीज बताऊंगा. धीरू भाई अंबानी को सभी जानते हैं, ओनर एंड द मेन पिलर ऑफ रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री. जब उसको मुंबई में पहली जॉब उसकी लगी थी, उसको पहली जॉब में पहली तनख्वाह मिली 250 रुपए. वो 250 रुपए लेकर वो एक 5 स्टार होटल में चाय पीने के लिए चला गया. उस 250 रुपए की उसने चाय पी ली, सारे पैसे खत्म. उसके जो कलीग्स थे, जो फ्रेंड्स थे, उन्होंने बोला यार तू पागल है, आज पहली तनख्वाह मिली है, बीवी बच्चे हैं घर पे, उनका ध्यान रख, कुछ लेकर जा घर पे, तू 250 रुपए की चाय पीकर आ गया वहां पे. तो धीरू भाई अंबानी रिप्लाइड टू द कलीग, he said, ये 250 रुपए की चाय मैंने 5 स्टार होटल में जाके इसीलिए पी है because I want to listen to the people जो उस होटल में 250 रुपए देकर चाय पीते हैं, वो उनकी सोच कैसी है, उनकी थिंकिंग क्या है, क्या बातें करते हैं, क्या थॉट प्रोसेस है. ये प्रिविलेज हम जैसे होटेलियर्स को ही मिलता है जब हम ऐसे ऐसे बड़े लोगों को सर्व करते हैं. इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ आवर करियर वी learn a lot from them. हमें पता चलता है कि लोग है कहाँ, दुनिया कहाँ बस रही है जाके. हम तो बहुत पीछे हैं, ये लोग बहुत आगे निकल चुके हैं. राइट. एक आदमी जो 250 रुपए तो बहुत पुरानी बात होगी, आज की डेट में 500 रुपए प्लस टैक्स चाय का रेट है. एक नॉर्मल अगर एक ब्लैक टी हम 5 स्टार होटल में पीते हैं, राइट, अगर कोई आदमी वो अफोर्ड कर पाता है, दैट मीन्स ही इज समथिंग. राइट. हम जैसे बहुत सारे नॉर्मल लोग हैं वो इस लाइन से नहीं है, जिन्हें नहीं पता इस लाइन के बारे में. आप उन्हें ये बोल सकते हो कि जहां पर 500 रुपए चाय के लगते हैं, मैं वहां रोज 2 टाइम का खाना खाता हूँ फ्री में, विदाउट पेइंग अ सिंगल पेनी. राइट. सो दैट इज अ प्रिविलेज दैट यू हैव गॉट. So maintain the right attitude. This will help you to work in the industry. And starting 1 or 2 years are always, people say that they are struggling. No, they are not struggling years. They are hard working years. You have to maintain hard work. You have to put in hard work. After 2 years, you will see that your growth is there. पहले लोग 8 साल 9 साल में जीएम बनते थे, आज की डेट में 4 साल में जीएम बन जाते हैं। इंडस्ट्री ग्रो कर रही है। इट्स जस्ट अ स्मॉल पॉज दैट इज देयर बिकॉज ऑफ द कोविड-19। इसमें होटल इंडस्ट्री का कसूर नहीं। एंटायर वर्ल्ड इज फेसिंग द सेम प्रॉब्लम, नॉट ओनली इंडिया। तो जैसे ही इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट्स ओपन होंगी, थिंग्स विल स्टार्ट पॉपिंग इन। इंटरनेशनल टूरिज्म बढ़ेगा, होटल इंडस्ट्री अपने आप ट्रैक पे आ जाएगी, एयरलाइन इंडस्ट्री भी आ जाएगी, टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री भी आ जाएगी, हर चीज ट्रैक पे आ जाएगी। बिकॉज इस इंडस्ट्री के बिना सर्वाइवल नहीं है। कौन चाहता है 10 लोगों के साथ 20 लोगों के साथ शादी करना? जो लोग 1500 2000 को बुलाते थे, नहीं ना। So things will take time. By end of this year, everything will be on track. So my best wishes are with you. All the best. Take care of yourself. Get yourself vaccinated so that जितना जल्दी आप इससे बाहर आएंगे उतना अच्छा है। That's all about it. Thank you so much for being here with me, and thank you so much, Amritsar Group of Colleges, for organizing this event. I really loved the interaction.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so thank you so much for your valuable knowledge, what you have shared with our team member and with our students. And from the happy faces and responses from our students, I can say we all learned several things for this webinar. So such a great thanks to our special guest to enlighten us on today's topics. Now at the end, I would like to request the HOD sir, Mr. Purushottam Kent, to present a token of thanks to our special guest. So please.
Okay, thank you so much, Upminder sir. Okay, Anubhav sir, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
I've noted like almost like all of the points that you have said. And one more thing that I want to say, like one of my senior member, and he told me nowadays what is happening during the recruitment process. People are like they're looking they're opening their, like if the candidate is coming, they are going for their social websites. They are checking their Facebook accounts, and just to better know, we can say that, just to know in a better way about the candidate, right? What kind of pages he or she is following, right? So this is also very good thing to know the person in a better way, and we all must take care of these things, because everything is online now. It is quite easy to understand a person just accessing the Facebook and Instagram and all.
Very right, sir. And I would say, sorry to interrupt you, I would say rather than Facebook, students nowadays should focus on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the profile that every hotelier, every professional would look at. They would not look at your Facebook, because हम Facebook पे बहुत सारी चीजें डाल देते हैं, बहुत सारी नाप चीजें भी डाल देते हैं. LinkedIn is only considered for professionals, for job purpose only.
True, sir. Like even like we all are focusing on this point, and we are encouraging our students to open up account on LinkedIn. So this is also very good, because we used to get the similar search or similar pages as per our career or profession. And even, sir, I like the example of habit. This is also very good thing, sir. Even I wanted to have your presence from so long, sir. So as per your availability, sir, thank you so much, sir.
मिलते हैं फिर.
हाँ, जरूर. And regarding one, like you have covered almost like from the way like interview, like if I pick interview, like you started from the very first point till the selection, and I think almost like the points that you have covered are very important. And and I believe that students have they will get good out of it. They will grab like much out of it. And the point that you said, passport, the word passport, you were saying that the passport must be there. This is also a true point, sir, because one of my friend got selected or got chosen by a guest. Like he was a regular guest with us, and he has a restaurant in Dubai, and he picked that guy from like our restaurant. So this is also very good thing. Like he was having the passport, then only it got possible, and now person is there in Dubai, and this is also a recommendable thing for my student or every student, sir.
And
So
sir,
in the
we
last
live in Punjab. यहाँ तो बहुत सारे लोगों को कनाडा जाना है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाना है. So
true, sir,
passport is
true.
mandatory.
Correct, sir. And in the last, sir, again, thanks again to you and to my students for joining us, and such a good audience. Like you have shown a good discipline over here, and it was a two-way conversation session with you, sir.
I would say, sir, your students are very good. Those who have interacted with me in this
Sir.
session, they were excellent.
Thank you so
So,
much, sir.
before ending, actually, I would like to take some of the screenshots of today's webinar, if you will allow, sir.
Sure, sure.
Okay. So every
True, sir.
students, please open up your videos camera so that we can click some of the valuable shots of today's webinar. Every students, please open up your video cameras.
No.
Okay, so जैसे अनुभव सर ने बोला है, and please guys, smile होनी चाहिए सभी के faces के ऊपर, and yes, so it's a beautiful moment for all of us. So just wait for a few minutes. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And
Thank you so much.
so, shall we answer, Purushottam, sir?
Yes, why not, sir? Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, sir. Bye. Take care.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.